My anti-gravity servos! Hang tight, everyone. I'm going to let go of the wall.
What? He wouldn't.
One,
He would.
two,
No.
three! To infinity and beyond! Approaching destination. Re-engaging gravity. Area secure. Okay.